Titrations are used to find out concentration of acid/alkali solutions. This video I'm going to be going through making a standard solution. So we work at the mass, in this case sodium hydroxide for example, whatever in the exam question. Work at the mass, work at the moles, place a weighing bolt on a digital balance and weigh out the mass of the solid. Tip it into a beaker and reweigh the bolt. Subtract the mass of the bolt from the mass of the bolt and solid together to find the precise mass of solid used. Add distilled water to the beaker and stir until all of whatever you have has dissolved. Tip solution into a volumetric flask and use a funnel. Now here's a key thing. So we tip solution into a volumetric flask and then we use a funnel to ensure it all goes in. Rinse the beaker and stirring rod with distilled water and add that to the flask. What this does is this makes sure no solute is clinging to the beaker/rod. Top the flask up to the correct volume with more distilled water and also make sure the bottom of meniscus reaches the line. Stop at the flask and turn it upside down to ensure it is mixed. Then using a pipette, use a pipette to measure out a set volume of solution you want to know the exact concentration of. Put it into a flask, add a few drops of indicator to the flask. Fill the burette with the standard solution of the acid. Use a funnel to carefully pour the acid into the burette below the eye level, and now you're ready to titrate. Use a pipette to measure a set volume of solution you want to know the exact concentration of. Put it into a flask, add a few drops of appropriate indicator to the flask. Fill the burette with the standard solution of acid. Use a funnel to carefully pour acid into the burette below eye level, and now you're ready to titrate.